Hello folks, let's call this my introduction to February's small scale build, so anything smaller than our typical 1/24th, 1/25th scale in our model cars. A bunch of us are doing this, not really a buddy build, but a whole bunch of buddy builds. There was quite a number of them on the list that BG read out last night, the other night, whatever that was. Anyway, my entry is the AMT 32nd scale 61 Ranchero. I haven't even opened it yet. It's still sealed. My hobby shop's just got it in for me. I'm not even going to open it until I start building it, but there we go. We got the Ranchero. We got, the typical AMT layout of what's in there. There's not a whole lot in there, so it's given some time for detailing or just whatever I'm going to do, but have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I'm going to start with that AMT 61 Ranchero. Now I was thinking though, 32nd and just ignore the rivet counters for a moment. 32nd and 35th scale are pretty close. They're good enough for eyeball for government work, I guess. These are some 35th scale U.S. Marines World War II with dogs. And I'm thinking, well, okay, 32nd. Some of the, I'm not going to use the guns, obviously, but I think I can take off the harnesses and stuff. I can grind away a little bit of the, sand it off or whatnot. There's 3 men and 3 dogs in there. I think there's 3 men. Yep. Anyway, there's a bunch of dogs, or there's a couple of men. And we have dogs. So we have man crouching. We have, so I don't know. It may be a guy out at the park with his dog or something. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. But we have figures. We have torsos. We have arms. We have crouched guy arms. We got standing up legs. We got another torso here. So we got dogs. We have. It's funny. We have what look like Doberman pincers by the U.S. Marine Corps. I would assume that I could paint those whatever color I want. So, but anyway, we're going to start off with the 61 Ranchero from AMT. Excuse the crinkling of paper, plastic. I should be speaking to you instead of crinkling this. So we'll start off with that on February 1st. Goes through February 28th. 28th this year. There's no leap year this year, is there? I don't know. I can't remember. I don't have a calendar in front of me. And we may add the figures later on, but we shall see. So that is the small scale build for February. And that's what we're doing.